Hi guys, welcome back to Sporaria channel. Today I'll show you how to change Snapchat profile picture. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First step, you have to open the Snapchat app. If you aren't logged into Snapchat, first enter the username and password and tap login. And then tap your profile icon. It's in the top left corner of the screen. Tap your Snapcode. This is the emoji on a yellow background icon. Doing so, open a menu. Then scroll down and tap change selfie. The Emoji app will open to your Emoji selfie page. Then select a new selfie. Tap a selfie that you want to use as your Snapchat profile picture, and I prefer this one. Is look cute. And then tap done. The green button is at the bottom of the screen. I'm gonna click right now. And last, go back. You just have to swipe right your screen and then click your profile icon again, and finally your updated Bitmoji profile picture will be on your Snapcode background. So guys, just a tutorial from me. I'll see you on the next one, and good luck.